Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare chicken fried rice. Ingredients required to prepare chicken fried rice are: I have taken 1 bowl of boiled rice. You can use leftover rice also. I have taken a little bit of chicken, boneless chicken. Here I have taken 1 carrot and I have chopped it. 1 carrot, little bit of French beans, little bit of cabbage. This is spring onion, friends. I have separated the green and the white. I have used little bit of corn, little bit of capsicum, which is also known as bell pepper. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Here 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar. This is little bit of black pepper powder. Here friends, I have taken little bit of sugar. This is sugar. Salt as per our taste, and here I have taken little bit of chopped ginger and garlic. This will give a lovely aroma to this recipe, and I'll be using 2 tablespoons of oil to prepare this recipe. So the first step that we are going to do, first we will take the chicken. We will put little bit of black pepper powder and little bit of salt, and we will mix it and keep it aside. Meanwhile, we will heat a pan. So here I am heating 2 tablespoons of oil, and now in this oil I will add the chicken. I will add so that I can fry it. Fry the chicken properly. It will change its color. So here is our chicken fried, friends. So I'm going to add I'll reduce the flame first, and then I will add the chopped ginger and garlic. And now I will add the spring onion white. And I will saute everything together now for 30 seconds. After sauteing it for 30 seconds, I will add the chopped carrots, French beans, and I will cook this for another 1 minute. After sauteing it, now I am going to add the cabbages, the capsicum and the corn. Corn and cabbages are optional, friends. And also little bit of spring onion green, half of it, and will saute it for another 30 seconds. Now we will add the boiled rice. Friends, we prepare this recipe over high flame. So our flame is high now. We'll mix it a little bit after adding rice. Now we will add the white vinegar. Then we will add the soya sauce. I'm using the light soya sauce, friends. I will add the black pepper powder and the sugar, salt as per our taste. I have added soya sauce, so we will add little bit of salt, little bit of spring onion green. I have still kept little bit of spring onion green so that I can add it for garnishing. And now I am going to mix this vegetable along with the rice and all the soya sauce and vinegar and cook this for another minute. So here is our chicken fried rice ready, friends. I will put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our chicken fried rice ready to be savored. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Do try this recipe out, friends, and let me know your feedback. See you soon, friends. Bye.